Pleasant and good day, everyone. We are here to advocate to stop of commercializing of land. We observe our nature nowadays. Some still think that the lands are getting progressive and prosperous, but we should drink twice of that. Can you say that it makes our country healthy? In some ways, maybe yes, but it harms our environment and definitely us. Us? Yes, us who destroy our own planet. The first on the list is nature's knows best. Magkaharap kayo. But how could it be if there's no more nature? If our nature today is now converted to commercial buildings, houses, and even subdivisions? Next, all forms of life are important. If we are destructing nature, the best example of this, which are the food trees and food wells, will not be completed. These are only three of the examples of environmental principles. But if the people will still continue destructing the environment, all the principles will be affected. Yes. We hope you're not one of those destructors, but one of the earth savers. Now, please join our advocacy. Stop commercializing land. I'm Faith. I'm Tina. And we are We for Environment. I'm